In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams spell check not working. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Open Microsoft Teams and look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture and, next to it, a small icon with 3 dots. Click that icon to open a short menu. From the options that appear, choose Settings. This takes you to the central place where Teams keeps interface and language preferences. Once Settings opens, make sure you're on the General tab in the left-hand sidebar. The General tab contains the overall options that affect the app's appearance and typing behavior. Scroll down within this tab until you reach a section labeled Editor or Spell Check. Depending on your version of Teams, the label might be one word or the other, but both point to the same place, the Spell Check controls. When you find the Editor or Spell Check section, toggle the switch to On to enable spell checking. This switch is what tells Teams to automatically check your text as you type. If the switch is already on, toggle it off and then back on again to give it a quick reset. That simple action often resolves temporary glitches without further changes. While you are still in the General tab, verify your app language settings. Spell check relies on the selected language to provide correct suggestions and underline misspelled words. Make sure the language set for the app matches the language you write in. If you change the language, close and restart Microsoft Teams so that the new language settings take effect. Restarting applies the change cleanly and often restores correct spell check behavior. After restarting, test the feature by opening a chat or new message and typing a deliberately misspelled word. You should see a red underline beneath the error. Right-click the underlined word to view suggested corrections and choose the correct word from the menu that appears. This confirms the spell checker is working and shows how to accept corrections quickly. If the red underline does not appear immediately, double-check that the editor or spell check switch is on and that the app language is correctly selected. Small mismatches between your typing language and the app language are the most common causes of missing suggestions. With these steps followed in order, you'll restore the built-in spell check in Microsoft Teams and be